This is Mary Vagel Nature Center. This is their pond. Little waterfall right here. Trails. There's Canadian geese out there that have 6 little goslings. And here's the geese. Hi, friends. Hi. The babies are almost as big as Mom and Dad. Hi, guys. Oh, they're preening so nice. Hi, friends. Hi. You guys are doing a good job. Here they are. You're playing in the mud, huh? It's playing in the mud. Yeah. There they are. Oh, hi, baby. Hi, baby. You gonna come out too? Oh, that's a good jump. Some other ducks over there. Hi. And this is a view from the other side of the lake. Starting to let the sun peek out. We got some butterflies, hummingbirds. Not a bad place to work.